Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Knowledge for Professionals. So I'm just intimate you. I'm just going to start a Google Sheet course uh, for from beginning to advance. So first of all, the purpose of this video is how to see the variant or who added the Google Sheet. So that's the topic of this video. So without any circumstances or without a wastage of time, we just see on the screen. So here's my Google Sheet. Uh, Here's the Google Sheet. So I have multiple, data on here, data on my spreadsheet. So I want to see who added, or I'm just deleting this and this. Once I delete, I I I want to know who did it or who delete this data. So here's very basic and very useful feature. I'm just click on file feature. Once I click on here, I can see, or you can see name current variant, C variant history, and so I'm just want to see C variant history. So here's variant history will be appeared. So you can see who do that. Uh, all the criteria, date, uh, month, timestamps, current version, uh, who do this, who delete or edit the data, each and everything will be appeared on your screen. So uh, if you want to continue, so you may continue, or otherwise you may also you can restore if you want. The deleted data must required, and which is or which deleted by the concerned person mistakenly. So you just click on uh, some outdated variant is. So once you click, you just restore this variant. So once you click on restore this variant, so the pop out will be appeared. So you just click on here. So you can see all the data will be appeared as previously mentioned. So that's the basic, the basic way or basic criteria or basic workflow to see who added the Google Sheet or who delete any important data. So you can see the audit trail. Your file. The basic step. If you want to see who edit or delete the important data, so you just click on file. Once you click on file, you have to uh, you know click on variant history. Once you click on variant history, two more options will be appeared. So you have to select C variant history. So that's the way, that's the workflow to see who added or deleted the data. If you think this video is helpful for you guys, please like, subscribe my channel. I'm definitely meet you with next video and next important fruitful video. I'm just going to start a Google Sheet course. One by one, I will try to cover each and every aspect of the Google Sheet. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching.